In this video, we will solve a problem on Schmitt trigger, and problem is a Schmitt trigger with the upper threshold level VUT equals 0 volt and hysteresis width is 0.2 volt converts 1 kilohertz sine wave of amplitude 4 volt peak to peak into a square wave. Calculate the time duration of the negative and positive portion of the output waveform. In this problem, a sinusoidal signal of 1 kilohertz having amplitude 4 volt peak to peak is used to switch the output of the Schmitt trigger from plus B saturation to minus B saturation or minus B saturation to plus B saturation to produce a square wave signal. The upper threshold voltage is set to 0 volt and hysteresis width is given as 0.2 volt. Hence, first we have to find the lower threshold voltage, and we know the hysteresis width is the difference between upper threshold voltage level and lower threshold voltage level. So first we will calculate the lower threshold voltage level using this data. This figure shows the input signal for this problem. Input is sinusoidal signal whose amplitude is 4 volt peak to peak. Amplitude is given. Input signal having 4 volt peak to peak amplitude. So I have shown here amplitude is minus 2 volt to 2 volt. And frequency of the signal is also given. F equals 1000 Hz. Using this, I have calculated here time period of the input signal T equals 1 upon F. Put the value of frequency 1 kilohertz means 1000 Hz. So time period will be 10 to the power minus 3 second means 1 millisecond. Upper threshold voltage is given 0 volt. We have to find lower threshold voltage. Hysteresis width is also given. Hysteresis width or hysteresis voltage VHY equals upper threshold voltage VUT minus lower threshold voltage. VHY hysteresis width is given 0.2 volt. Upper threshold voltage is also given as 0 volt right here. In this way, we have calculated VLT equals minus 0.2 volt. Upper threshold voltage is 0 volt and lower threshold voltage is 0.2 volt. See the input waveform carefully. To complete one cycle, time taken by this sinusoidal signal is T, one time period. So to complete half cycle, the time taken by the signal is T by 2. In half cycle, signal changes from 0 to 2 volt, its positive peak, and then again from 2 volt to 0 volt. In this way, it takes T by 2 time. So time taken by the signal to change from 0 to 2 volt only, it will take T by 4 seconds. To change from 0 to 2 volt, the signal will take time here at this point T by 4. Now we will calculate the time taken by the signal to change from 0 volt to 0.2 volt. Means we want to find this duration, this time duration. This is the time taken to change from 0 to 0.2 volt. Since this signal takes t by 4 seconds to change from 0 to 2 volt, so it will take t by 40 seconds to change from 0 to 0.2, because 0.2 is 1/10 of 2 volt. So time taken to change 0.2 second from 0 to 0.2 second will be 1/10 of the time taken by the signal to change from 0 to 2, and time taken by the signal to change from 0 to 2 volt is t by 4. So this time taken by signal from 0 to 0.2 will be t by 40, here indicated in this figure. So this time duration, this is t by 40. See the input and output waveform carefully. From the figure it is clear that duration of the negative portion of the output waveform means 0 to this duration. Negative portion is this portion. Negative portion includes duration 0 to t by 2 plus this duration t by 40. So total duration of the negative portion is t by 2 plus t by 40. Duration of positive portion of output signal is from this point to this point. T by 2 to t. This duration is t by 2. We have to subtract this duration. This is t by 40 to get the positive portion duration. So duration of positive portion of the output waveform will be t by 2 minus t by 40. T negative, duration of negative portion, t by 2 plus t by 40, it will be 21 t by 40. Put the value of t, 1 millisecond. This value we have already calculated here. T equals 1 upon f. F is 1000 hertz. So t 1 millisecond. Put here and calculate. In this way t negative will be 0.525 millisecond, and duration of the positive portion equals t by 2 minus t by 40 equals 19 t by 40. Put the value of t 1 millisecond, calculate. It will be 0.475 millisecond. So duration of negative portion is 0.525 millisecond and duration of positive portion is 0.475 millisecond.